Hi, boys and girls. Do you know what I have here? This is a treasure chest. And what color is it? I know it's brown, and that's the color we're studying this week. That's why this fits in. All right, let me open this so you can see what's in here. All right. Oh, can you see what's in here? A lot of gold coins and beautiful gems. Let me take one out to show you. All right. And I want you to know we're just pretending Mrs. Becker doesn't have a bunch of gold coins or beautiful gems, but we're going to use them today, these pretend coins and gems, to do addition and subtraction. All right. And I've already got things out, so we don't really need the treasure chest right now. But if you look here, these are all treasure chests that we're going to use. And we'll start out with addition. And remember, with addition, we're putting more in. So let's start up here. We have some gold coins, okay? What shape are they, by the way? I know they're circles, aren't they? And today we're going to be talking about shape. We're going to be talking about colors too. Who knew? All right, so let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3. And feel free to count with me, okay? So I see that we are starting out with 3 gold coins. So I'm going to put a 3 on my whiteboard, and then I'm going to put this sign, and that means plus. That means you're adding more, you're putting more in. So now, what should we put in? Well, let's put some green jewels. These are emeralds, and what shape are these? Circles. Oh my goodness, they're all going to be circles. I just made it that way, okay? So 1, 2, 3. So now we have 3 emeralds. So let me put that over here. Now, before we do anything else, which of those do we have more of? We have 3 gold coins and 3 emeralds. It's the same. I know sometimes that happens, and that's okay. So now we want to read this. This says 3 plus 3. That means you add them together. Equals. That means how many do you have altogether? Well, we can figure that out by counting. Can you help me count? Say it out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know that all together we have 6 coins and jewels. That was our first problem. And now we're going to do problem number 2 with this treasure chest. And what color are the jewels in the treasure chest? Are they purple? And you know what those are called? Amethysts. I know, that's a fun name, isn't it? Amethyst. Okay, so we have to count how many we have already in the treasure chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll write a 5, or Mrs. Becker will write a 5 right here. And then I'm going to put the plus because we're going to add more to it. We're going to put more in the chest. By the way, what shape are our purple amethysts? They're kind of like a rectangle, aren't they? Okay. Oh my goodness, what color do I have this time? Red. Let's count how many of these red jewels I'm putting in. 1, 2. They're not all the same shape this time. And 3. Very good. Okay. So I started with 5, and now I put 3 more in. Okay. All right. 2 things before we go on. This kind of reminds me of the sun. And then what shape are these? Are those ovals? They are. Now to figure out how many we have, we'll do some counting, but which one, can you tell which one we have more of? Do we have more of the purple amethysts or more of, these are called rubies, the ruby red jewels? We do. We have more of our purple amethysts, don't we? Okay, so we figured that out. But let's see how many we have all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. Now this time we have 8 jewels all together. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right. Guess what? We have one more treasure chest down here, and we'll do something special with this one. All right, so we started out with 2, and now we're going to add, oh, by the way, these are emeralds again. This, we're just going to call this gold, or maybe you could call it yellow topaz, but I like to say gold, don't you? So we're going to put 2 golds in, okay. Oh, we have more rubies. And what shape? It's kind of like a rectangle. Let's add the rubies. Oh, and then I have some beautiful, what color is this? Is that blue? And what shape? Circles. Okay. So I have some beautiful blue gems. They're called sapphires. Okay. And then, oh, what color do you see here? Can you see the pink? And what shape? I know, it's a square, isn't it? All right. Oh, our treasure chest is getting full, isn't it? And you know what? We call these rose quartz gems, okay? All right. So we started out with 2. All right, 2 emeralds. So I'm going to put my 2 here. And then we added how many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. That's a lot, isn't it? So which do we have more of? The emeralds or all the other jewels together? All the other jewels together, that's right. But if we went with each different kind, we have 2 emeralds, 2 gold, 2 rubies, 2 sapphires, and 2 rose quartz. They're all the same, aren't they? Isn't that interesting? All right, now we want to figure out 2 plus 8 equals how many? And we want to count it. So let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, now we have 10 jewels in our treasure chest. And 2 plus 8 equals 10. And we've just done 3 different addition problems. Okay? Very good. All right. Now, the next thing we want to do is some subtraction. So I'm just going to turn this around, and you're going to see 3 different treasure chests. Oh, and they're all already pretty full. They have some things in them, don't they? So up here we have gold coins, and we need to count how many coins we have. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so this time I have to write 10 down. And now with subtraction, we take some away. So I put this sign in that, we call that minus, but it means take away. All right. And this time to figure out how many we take away, we're going to use our die. Mrs. Becker's going to roll it, and then I'll show you what I rolled. Can you tell what I rolled? 1, 2, 3, and there's 4. So now I have to take 4 coins away. Can you help me? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I took 4 away. So now I write that down. 10 minus 4. And now I have to figure out, okay, how many do I have left? And I figure that out by counting. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. So now I know that if you start with 10 and you take 4 away, that gives you 6 left. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. All right, let's look at the middle treasure chest. Oh, look at all the beautiful gems in there. Oh my. We have an amethyst, and we have an emerald and a sapphire, and we have gold or yellow topaz if you want. Another emerald, oh, a ruby, an amethyst, and another sapphire. Oh, but how many is that? Well, we better count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so this time we're starting out with 8. So let Mrs. Becker put that number here. Now, because we're doing subtraction, we're taking away. Remember, that is minus. 8 minus. And to figure out how many we're taking away, let's use our die. Oh my. Can you tell what I rolled this time? 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side, 4, 5, 6. Help me count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We had to take a lot away, didn't we? So I'm going to put 8 minus 6 here equals, and how many do we have left? Well, let's count. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. So 8 minus 6, or 8 take away 6 equals 2. Oh, I really liked it when our treasure chest was more full. Didn't you? All right, guess what? We have one more treasure chest, and it's full of coins and gems, okay? All right, so the first thing we have to do is figure out how many. There's our rose quartz, an emerald, a sapphire, lots of gold coins, another emerald, and another sapphire. Okay, so let's count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, so we're starting with 9. So let me put a 9 here. 9 minus, because we're taking away. And remember, to figure that out, I roll the die. I want to roll. Ooh, something different. 1, 2, 3. So now I have to take 3 away. I guess I'll just take 1. You can help me count. 2, 3. And now we'll see how many we have left. But first, I better not forget to write that here. So we're taking 3 away. Now, how many do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we have 6 left. And we read this by saying 9 minus 3 equals 6. Wasn't that fun to use a brown treasure chest full of gold coins and all kinds of beautiful gems to do our addition and subtraction today? Thanks for helping me, boys and girls. We'll do this again later. Bye-bye.